As she gets a tattoo, Rakshita Gupta says her father, who died from COVID-19 2 months ago, meant everything to her and her sister.
He taught us to be independent, he taught us to be brave, he gave us all the freedom we need, he taught me everything I knew.
The Guptas are among the thousands of families who lost loved ones during a ferocious second wave of the pandemic that shrouded New Delhi in grief in April and May. Some are now memorializing their loss in tattoo studios.
That pain is very internal and it will take time, but yeah, just getting a tattoo is like I don't know, it's a way of just putting it out there that maybe to us that how much are we missing him.
I don't know how to live without him, and I thought I want him to be with me.
Increasingly, young people have been coming to studios to get body art as a way to express their personality or style. But the growing demand for memorial tattoos is recent. They vary from phrases to images with a special meaning, like the identical ones these sisters chose for their first tattoo.
These are the angel wings because he's our angel watching this over all the time.
For tattoo artists, memorial tattoos are more challenging. Some want to always see the tattoo. Others don't want a constant reminder of their loss. Either way, tattoos are milestones on the body.
Tattoos are like that. It's like your soul that you carry on your sleeve, what I feel. But at times it can be painful, at times it can be memorable, how you take it.
Moments of grief are often shared.
Sometimes they pour their heart out that they have lost. Sometimes I talk to them and know what they are going through.
At his studio, Lokesh Verma spends more time conceptualizing memorial tattoos than he did before. He feels they are helping heal a city swept by grief.
Mostly people who are very scared of pain, when they're getting a memorial tattoo, they don't even feel the pain as much. They are just thinking about that person whom they lost. So it is more like a therapy to them, and going through this whole ritual of pain and, thinking about them and seeing their image or their signature or their writing come up on their skin.
That may be true. The Gupta sisters are contemplating a second tattoo, also memorializing their father. Anjana Pasricha for VOA News, New Delhi.